The future of the hydrogen market is really exciting, but it has some challenges. We're seeing some new players come into this industry, and they're trying to understand what does it take to handle ammonia. How do you handle it? How do you transport it? How do you contain it? How do you keep it safe?
So one of the markets that we do a substantial amount of work in is traditional ammonia manufacturing. Most of it for either mining or AG Chem. It's a hazardous process. Almost all of the facilities are PSM covered. So there's need for risk assessment.
And what we do there is we monitor for ammonia leaks both on the perimeter with open path gas detection and point detection near identified leak sources. And our system can detect a leak, alert personnel, can automatically release deluge or water to knock the ammonia cloud down. The companies want to make sure that the ammonia stays on their property and the gas cloud does not go off of their property.
And it's typically very high consequence if they have an event. Your risk mitigation around that involves high reliability and validated systems, whether it's an alarm that needs to be in compliance with your philosophy and rationalization, a basic process control system that's operating on automatic that doesn't have a bunch of errors, is controlled and tuned well, or a safety instrumented system that's really like that airbag system in your car that you never know is there until you need it, and then it deploys. And then in many cases, these facilities, should one of those barriers fail and you end up with product outside of the pipe, have fire and gas detection systems that are kind of a mitigation layer to help reduce the consequence of an event that occurs. AE Solutions partners with our clients to address all of those needs, whether it's front-end consulting all the way through system integration and full system delivery.